There's my school sign. Yeah, this is how we do it in Sudbury. What are you doing, Timmy? Man, unbelievable. Well, yeah, buried. Lovely. Oh well. Well, I don't think a snow brush is going to work. Oh, lovely. Be a lot faster if I do it this way. Oh my God. Yeah. Fun. Well, I managed to get my my car stuck in the driveway. It's not going anywhere. I don't care. I can stay there till the snow melts. It's not out on the road, so. And I'm waiting for the snow tractor. I got the I got a little bit of snow removed from around the car, but that's about it. I can't move until the snow tractor gets here. Man, I haven't exercised like this since last winter. And here he goes. Hope you can get around my car. Yeah, okay, good. Oh, this is nuts. Crazy. Oh, here he comes again. Look at that. What a mess you're making. You are messy.